Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mona, and in this video I am going to fix the zipper of the trouser. So you can see this is a pocket trouser, and this is in satin material. It's really nice. And what happened is the zipper is broken here, and it has an invisible zipper. I'm gonna try and open the zipper in front of you. This is not mine. Came here to fix. Someone gave it to me to fix this, so let's try to unzip it. Okay, so it's stuck here. This is the inside view. This is the outside. So first thing first, what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna pick all the thread. If you can see right here, I hope you're able to see where the stitches are. I'm gonna pick all the thread here. I have to open a little bit this much, and then I will show you after. Okay. All right, so now I've separated the zipper, and I'm gonna show you. This is where the zipper was. Okay, and this is the zipper. Now I'm going to use the new zipper, and I will start doing the hand sew first, because that way it's going to be easier for me to sew on the machine. Since this is a slippery fabric, I just don't want to directly go on sewing machine. But if you think you can handle the zipper on a sewing machine, you can just right away jump onto the sewing machine. Anyways, I am just gonna take a new zipper and then we'll start stitching. Right, so I have stitched one side, and I use the contrasted thread so you can see it. So here I have hand sewn the zipper with contrasted thread, so you can easily see how I did it. Your stitches don't have to be straight, because at the end we have to pick all the threads, unless you are using the same matching thread. You don't have to hand sew it. Instead, you can use pins or clips, but for me this is much easier. I only sew one side because I wanted to show you how I did it so you can get an idea. Okay, let me close the zippers before starting stitching on the other side, and this is how it looks so far. I haven't cut the zipper, which I will do at the end once I finished stitching the zipper on both sides. So because my fabric is really slippery and it's 100% polyester, I will need the help of the clips to hold the fabric. Then I can easily hand sew it. Now I'm going to make sure that both ends of my zipper are equal or balanced. Just follow the stitch marks from existing zipper. I hope you can see it, and just sew on these marks, and then we will go on machine and start stitching. Just sew like this all the way up there, and then we will move on to the sewing machine. Here you can see before the final stitching. I'm going to show you the front side. The reason you can still see it, because I have to sew. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you. All right, so once you start stitching on this zipper, then you don't have to sew here, you have to sew here. Like this is how the zipper looks so far, and once you start stitching, you have to roll it on this other side, and you see this part here, this is the folding line. Hopefully you can see it. This one, it is like this, and then you open it up like this, and then you sew it like this. Once you sew it like this, then the zipper will be invisible. So let's do it. Now I'm going to show you just one side, just to give you an idea. I know you cannot see it properly because the color, but I just wanted to show you how it looks on one side. Okay. Can you see the one side is totally invisible? Now I'm going to stitch the other side and I will sew the hook and eye back. I'm gonna finish this part as well, and then I will show you the final result of this. All right guys, I am done. I attached the zipper here and also I finished the hook, and because the eye was in silver color, so I decided to do it with the thread instead of putting the eye. I didn't have the black color, so that's it. Let me show you. This is how it's open and the close, so it's perfect. And the end, I just stitched the ends here and cut the rest, and that's it. I'll cut any extra threads, and as you can see, it's nice and clean. And that's about it for this video. Hopefully you like the video and it's going to be helpful for you all. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next time, bye.